Ramesh, do you want to say the prayer?
Sure. वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तः प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्म्य मुनित्रयम्
Let me share my screen.
Namaste.
नमस्ते वो
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, can you zoom it a little bit? Yeah, thanks.
Okay. So the first one derives 3-1 forms of lat lakar for dhatus. How do you want to do this? Does someone want to go first?
Yeah, I can. So I'll probably just tell the sutras that is involved and the derivation. So Bhuvadaya Dattavaha is the first, and then the content will be Jut because of Upadesha Anunasika It. The will get dropped, right? So, and then Vartamane Lat. So Tiptasji from that, like Ta, because it's Atmanepadi, the Dhatu is. So, and then Kartari Shap, Shap gets added, and Tingshit Sarvadhatukam. So, in that, like again, Pakara gets dropped because of Alantyam and Shakara because of Lashak Padatite. So the content of shap will be a and ta, and I think this one, yeah, and then atmane padanam tere, tita atmane padanam tere, so ta becomes te. So and then pugalanta lagupatasya cha happens. So guna takes place. So the u of jut becomes o. So the final word will be jotate.
So this tit Atmane Padanam Tere, sorry, tit Atmane Padanam Tere, did Swamiji teach this sutra?
He went for
Yes,
solving some
yes.
examples. He went through this.
Okay, okay, and in Takar, in the ta of the lat pratyaya, the tit pratyaya, what is tit? Like what is replaced by a? A is replaced by a.
No, the third becomes te.
Ite,
Hmm.
ite, ite.
Okay.
One second, can you tell me where? I remember Swamiji mentioning this, but
Yes.
which class can you tell me? I was trying to look for it, I couldn't find it.
I don't think
He meant it. It's looking new, that's why.
No, he mentioned it. I think
Okay.
the previous set of classes, I think, because I remember this.
I think he
Okay.
mentioned, but we probably did go through into the sutra in detail.
Yeah,
Because
yeah. Yeah, yes.
yeah, because I remembered this, but I couldn't get more information from Swamiji's notes.
Yeah, he said he will get into more into detail,
Mm.
like, you know.
Yeah.
On the video, I can look it up and send you a link to the video where he talks about it. maybe later today or tomorrow I can look it up and drop a note.
Yeah, that will
But
be helpful. Thanks. I think,
Okay.
but he just briefly mentioned. I don't remember
Yeah,
that.
he mentioned, I remember writing something also, but I couldn't find it from my notes. I was struggling, so I thought I will just ask. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Next one.
Yeah, I can take this up. This is a little more simpler version of that first one, I think, because it is Parasmai Padi. You have Chit, Chiti Sanyane. It is first Kana Parasmai Padi. So Chit Bhuade Datavaha. Chit Lat Vartamane Lat. And then Lat the Tip Tasti, that one 3478, it becomes the. And then Vikarana Pratyaya Shap. So you have Kartari Shap, you have Chit plus Shap plus the. And then you have Chit plus the content of the Shap becomes Vikarana Pratyaya. And then you have tea, and then you have chit becomes we have puganta lagupadasya, chi becomes you can take gunadyesha, so you have chi becomes cheta, and then you have a plus t, so chetati.
Yes. Next one.
I'll do that.
Sure.
Yeah. So here, this is Chutir Asechane. The content is Chut. Chut, and it is 1P. I haven't written all the steps. It is Kartari Shap, and since it is 1P, Shap is the Ganavikarna Prakarna, and Chut plus the content of Shap is A. Chut plus A plus T. T is the thing, Pratyaya. So since Shap takes Guna, it becomes Chyot. So Chyot plus A plus T, it becomes Chyotati.
Yes.
Shap causes Guna, not takes Guna. Sorry, Shap causes Guna. So Chut becomes Chyot and Chyotati. Yeah.
So a lot of them were more for practice and familiarization. So
No, but this was needed, Harshaji. I must say, really be thankful to you. Two things helped me a lot. One, the exercise itself, and you giving that Nilesh Bodhas that link. I think that video was also very good. It helped us to summarize the entire thing. I would say that everybody can go through that also. In combination, I think this is very good. Thank you so much.
did anyone have questions on derivation? Anyone have trouble? If you have fundamental questions, maybe we can also look at that before moving on to the next one.
I had a question with that Tarnoti and Tripnoti.
Okay, that is further down, right?
Yeah, further down. Okay, we go there once we reach there, we'll talk about that.
Yes, so first Kana is okay with everyone is okay with it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, then let us go down to okay. See fourth Kana starting here. Okay, so Krup Krode. Anyone who wants to do this? Mahitaji?
Okay. So Krodhe, it, the Anunasika it, so it becomes Krud. And then it belongs to the fourth Gana. Ek second. So first you add lut, and get the pratyaya, tiptasji. So this is a parasmay padi dhatu, I think. So that is why T is brought. And now to Krud plus T. T is a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, which is why Gana Vikarana works in. And Gana Vikarana for fourth Gana is Shan.
Shan.
So Shan works in, and the content of Shan is just Yakara. And it is also a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. It is a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, but it is apit, so it cannot cause guna. Although the anga can take guna because it has laghu upada, but we don't change it. So krud plus ya plus ti is krudhyat.
Correct.
The next one is fifth Gana. Neeruji, do you want to try this?
Okay. Tik is the dhatu, and tik plus vartamane lat, and then we get tip as per tip plus chi, and then the gana vikarana pratyaya shnu for fifth gana. So tik plus shnu plus ti. Then as per sarva dhatuka ardha dhatuka yoho, shnu becomes no. So the final is tiknoti.
Yeah, there were some where I noticed that they belong to multiple ganas. So, like, I think the next one, trip is where you also have a question, right, Neeruji?
Yeah, this one, when I looked up in Ashtadhyayi, so it's tripnoti and tripyati. There are two options given there.
Correct. So, if you take it as fourth gana, you will end up with tripyati. And
Tripyati.
And if
And
you
both have the same meaning here. Both are trip and
Tripnoti. One is fourth and one is fifth.
Correct, but the meaning is the same.
Yeah, meaning is same.
correct. Meaning is the same. And
Yeah, both are prenane.
correct. And you will end up with, depending upon which Gana Vikarana Pratyaya you bring in and the rules, you will end up either with, in fourth Gana, it will be trip plus shan plus ti, which makes it tripyati.
Tripyati.
In the fifth Gana, it becomes trip plus shnu plus ti, which makes it tripnoti.
Tripnoti, yeah.
Okay.
Did that answer your question, Neeruji?
No, I'm sorry. It was about the eighth gana, trinoti and
Tripnoti.
tarnoti.
Okay, not tripnoti.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we'll get there. Next one is sixth. Okay. Sixth is also easy. Okay, maybe I can take this. Tud vyathane. So tud, starting with its bhuvadayo dhatavaha. The content, ignoring the it letters, will be tud. And in latlakara parasmaipadi ti for 3-1, it becomes tud plus ti. Because it is a sixth kana dhatu, udadipyaha shaha, so we bring in sha. So tud plus sha plus ti. Content of sha is a. So it will be tud plus a plus ti, tudati.
It's Ubhayapadi, no?
Correct. It is Ubhayapadi. So
Ubhayapadi.
if you take
Parasmaipadi.
Atmanepadi form of
It is Atmanipadi Tudade. Tudade, right?
Correct. The tith tere is the only thing where the of the atam ja, that the will become te.
Okay.
So the form is to the te. Okay. Next one is Rudar Avarane, seventh Gana.
Yeah, I think this one had a lot of other rules which were not covered. So, so maybe we can just go through till the part where it applies.
Sure. So, Rud, again, this is Ubhayapadi. So, assuming it is Parasmayapadi, it becomes Rud plus Shnam plus Ti, because Rudadibhyaha Shnam. And because Shnam is an Agama, it goes and attaches itself in the middle of the Dhatu. So, Rundati. But this, until here, I was able to get that Runadhi, is a result of Sandhi. So this part is a leap.
Yeah.
So actually, this part is explained well. I did it based on that Nilesh Bodas, the way he has given. He has said that the Agama, the previous to the letter, he has given a rule for that. I think that was very helpful.
So it will take
Even
the
Natvam
softer form of
takes place.
this last one, and it will become.
Yeah.
the
Actually, he has given a very simple rule there. I'll just read out the rule. Saptana ganasya vikaranam dhatoho antima varnat purvam agachati.
Correct. So it joins here in between.
Before, and he
After
has
the
put
last
nicely, he has
vowel.
explained that.
Oh, is it not, if it's an agama, if it's myth,
Yeah.
then shouldn't it come after the last vowel?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that is why it is Runadhi. Na,
Correct.
the Na will become Na. Natvam takes place there because it comes after Refa. Na comes after Refa. So it becomes Runadhi, Na.
So you're saying this should be
Runa, Na.
okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
The Dakara and Takara changing to the soft third Da and the fourth Da, those are Sandhi rules. Hal Sandhi rules. We haven't covered them, so we can just take it as it is.
Correct. So okay. For the Atmanepada variant, what it will be the same Shnam plus the, which becomes te, so it will become Runadhe. But okay, according to what Maltiji just said, it will be
No, actually it is Runde because there is another rule in between where 64111.
Oh.
It is in that rule akara of Shnam is dropped if followed by Nit Sarvadatuka. Here
So
yeah. Okay, so that Runad becomes Rund plus Te.
Okay, so it will be Runde.
Yeah, Runde. Again, the Dakara and Takara will change to third and fourth Da because of Hal Sandhi rules. 1 second, how this is Nit Sarvadatuka, it is 1 second.
So this is correct. Then you're saying this Run. Oh, okay. No,
yeah. See this Na from Na because of rule 64111, Akara of Shnam is dropped. So
okay.
it becomes, instead of Na getting added, Nakara gets added. So it is Rundate. Again, Na.
Okay.
Yeah, Rundate.
Oh, so even in the solution for the above, the Parasmayapadi one, it should be Shnam, no? Full Nakara.
No, here, if it is followed by Nit Sarvadatuka. So I'm trying to recollect how Te is. I was convinced when I saw this rule, but now I forgot. How Te is Nit Sarvadatuka. Is it?
Maybe Apit Sarvadatuka.
Apit. Right, yeah. Apit. Yeah, it is Apit Sarvadatuka, so it is deemed as Nit. So when a Nit Sarvadatuka follows, that Akara drops from Shnam's Na. So it is rundate. Runde, not rundade. Runde. Id.
Like this.
Idda. Yeah.
Okay. The next one is also seventh kana, which we have covered. So maybe we can skip this. Bhinatti. Bid becomes
It becomes binte. Binte and binatti. Yeah. Binatti parasmepadi
and
and binte in atmanepadi.
bin.
Yeah. Binte is correct. Yeah.
But the anga for the parasmepadi, it should be binat, no? Not bin.
Binad. Yeah. Binatti.
Okay, so this it'll become third and fourth. Okay, got it.
No. The previous step, it is binad plus ti.
And in the previous step, it is nam, not.
This is binad plus ti, right? This is what you're saying. It's already binad plus ti.
Yeah.
And this will become binadhi.
Binatti. Takara. Ta. First ta. Binatti.
Both of them are ta. Binat.
Yeah. That dakara will become ta because of this ti.
Okay.
Those are hal sandhi rules. There are two rules actually in between.
So until here I got, then this.
No, it is binatti, not binti. Binatti.
Okay, binatti. Like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here also we have to change.
The previous step is binad plus ti.
Binad plus
Binad plus ti. It's not
Full
bin.
nam.
okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Above also it is shnam. Look at that.
Huh. Oh.
Okay. Shnam.
Yeah, shnam. I think now we move to the eighth kana, and Niruji had the question.
Yeah, so I got Trinoti and 1 minute. Tarnoti, which is there in Ashtadhyayi also. And the difference in both is one application of Puganta Lagu Upadasya. So what I wanted to know is it optional to use that sutra?
You're saying there were two ways it got conjugated?
Yeah. So this is Trinoti. 1 minute, I'll just look at my file. So if after we add the eighth gana vikarna pratyaya u, so u will cause lagu of through. So it will become tarn. So that can also become tarn plus u plus 2, and then tarnoti it will become, right?
So that if guna takes place of this, ru will become ar, no?
Yeah, tarnoti.
Yeah.
So we can have trinoti also and tarnoti also. But what I want to know is it optional to use this lagu puganta lagu padasya?
If there are two given, then I guess you can derive it either way. We can take a look.
Any Nich Churadi Ganapati also, the at, some places the at doesn't take vriddhi.
Tarnoti, trunoti, both are there. But there is some, site-wide problem today. They are not displaying prakriyas. But yeah, looks like both are supported.
So then, I mean, these sutras, I mean, how do we know when to apply or when not to apply if there is possibility of application? I thought it was mandatory to apply, but now it seems it's optional.
It's not optional as far as I know, but here we don't know why this is happening. We need to ask.
Maybe this is a question for Swamiji.
Many places I came across this, but they have not, in Ashtadhyayi, they have not given any explanation. They just delete that part. The Trinoti, they don't show it as tar. They just go to the next step, taking it as thru only. In
Correct.
Ashtadhyayi, there is no explanation. We have to ask Swamiji. Yeah. Even in Churadigana, I came across a few things like that.
And also, I don't know if my understanding is correct. In one of these dhatus, one was Atmanepada, and they had shown a Parasmaipada padam for that. How is that possible? I mean, is it possible?
Which one is that?
I don't remember which, I didn't note it down, but there was a dhatu which was Atmanepada, and there was a Parasmaipada Tinganta also in Ashtadhyayi.
Was it one
For
of the dhatus from the homework?
Yes, for homework only. Because once I'd done my exercise, I was going back and checking the answers.
Was it
I don't
Ubhayapadi? Is it
No, it was not Ubhayapadi, it was Atmanepadi. Parasmepadi can be Atmanepadi also, right?
Wait,
Sorry,
if it is-
what? Sorry,
But
what?
Oh, that is in Karman. Sorry, Bhavi. Bhavi.
Bhavakarmanayoho? Is that what you're
Yeah.
referring to?
Yeah.
No,
Maybe
if it's a Parasmepadi dhatu, so we can have it in Kartari and Karmani both, so it can be Atmanepada also. I mean,
Only
that's
for
how I understood.
Karmani, it is Atmanepada ending. Karmani
Yeah.
or Bhave. For Kartari, it is Parasmepadi ending only.
Okay, so Patu Yaktayam Vachi is Parasmaipadi. When you say, so this will become Patyate. If is this what you are saying is the Atmanepada?
No. I'll just look at one of the Atmanepada examples that you had given. Which one was that?
Labh is Atmanepada. We can.
The first dhatu, either Jut or Rij. I just checked that up.
If you can give the one that you came across, we can look into it further.
Okay, I'll look up and then let you know.
Sure.
Okay.
The next one is also eighth kana Pidur Adane. No, sorry, I think it's a cut and paste. Okay, this is Parasmepadi, this is Atmanepadi for the same thing. So this is Trinoti, this is Trinute. The next one is Mrid. So Mrid is ninth kana. Anyone wants to try this?
Okay, I'll go. So Mrid, so it's Krayadi Parasmaipati. So the content will be Mrid. So Vartamane Lat, and so we'll add Tip, and Krayadibhyah Shna will bring in Shna, and the content will be Na. And so the Mridnati. So that's the thing, and then probably that Natvam or something might happen, because when I checked in Ashtadhyayi, it was like Mridnati.
From here, somehow it becomes Na and Mridnati.
Nash 2. There is one rule, no?
Tuna.
Swamiji mentioned that also briefly in one of the
Yeah,
lectures.
briefly. That also mentioned in one class, but not detailed. Shtuna, shtuhu.
Okay, there's one more ninth Kana example which we can skip unless someone has questions. And then there is a 10th Kana. 10th Kana, anyone wants to try this? Churste.
Yeah, I'll try. I don't know whether I'll be able to. I'll try.
Sure.
Sur bhavadayohu dadavaha. Sur plus nich pratyaya. So content of the nich is E. Then puganda lagubadasya. So it will become chor. So chor plus E. Ganavikarna pratyaya is nich. Then it is let lagara. Sheshat kartari parasmai pada is tip. So chor plus E plus tip. Then before tip you have to add shap. Kartari shap. So chor plus E, content of the shap is A plus T. Then chor plus A plus A. That is sarvaraduga ardharaduga yoho. That will become aya. So chorayati. Is it right? Aicho ayavayoha. Is it okay?
Yes. Excellent.
But has Atmanepadi also, it is Ubepadi, so Chorayate will be Atmanepadi. Chorayati is Parasmepadi.
It is chorayati.
Chorayate is Atmanepadi.
Chorayate atmanepada. Chorayati is. That is ubeyapadi, no?
Yeah.
Ubeyapadi. Okay.
Next one is Shleshane.
It's the same procedure.
Yeah.
Same procedure, no? Yeah.
Yeah, Shleshya thing.
Correct. So Shleshi will become the Dhatu. Yeah, there's some term that Swamiji used for this Dhatu.
Swartha pratyaya. Meaning the meaning remains the same, but the dhatu undergoes the change.
Okay.
I mean,
Yes, yes.
So Shleshayati will be the form in Parasmaipadi and Shleshayate in Atmanipadi. Okay, so we have 2 minutes after which we'll have to drop off and log in again. We'll get kicked out. But we can start with the true or false. Vikarana pratyaya of first kana causes gunadesha.
True.
Okay.
Yes.
True, true.
Vikarana pratyaya of fourth kana causes gunadesha.
False. Yeah.
Sixth kana causes gunadesha.
False.
10th